What's up, everyone? Check out this really cool retractable power strip. This thing is great for home and for travel. Look how easy this is to use. So you just pull it right out. It gives you 5 feet in length. And then to retract it, you simply just twist it back up. And the cord twists right back inside here. So the plug it comes with is a low profile 45-degree angle plug. I do love the low profile cord here. That's super nice as well. And it just retracts up so easily. You have 3 main plugs here. You do have 2 USB-C ports and a USB port. This would be great for traveling as well. So if you're like staying in a hotel, you need to charge up multiple things all at the same time, you have this available, and this would just make it super convenient. On the back here, there is a place you could mount this on the wall, and it does have some grippies here on the bottom, so it's gonna stay nice and steady on any hard surface. This thing is super convenient. It fits right inside a bag. You don't have to worry about any cords getting tangled up. Just overall, this is a great power strip that is retractable. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.